In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display multiple measures on multiple rows in Tableau. This technique is incredibly useful when you want to present various data points in a comprehensive and structured manner, enhancing clarity for viewers. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you've launched the Tableau application on your computer. Once it's up and running, go ahead and open your worksheet. We'll be working with this throughout the tutorial. If you have your dataset ready, that's great. If not, ensure it's accessible so you can follow along seamlessly. The first step inside Tableau is to drag the order date onto the column shelf. What this does is it organizes your data, not just flatly spread out, but in a way that's easy to digest over periods of time. After placing it on the shelf, click the drop-down menu and choose Quarter. This selection helps you break down data into manageable time frames, providing more insightful trends over each quarter. Moving on, we're going to drag the Sales field to the Rows shelf. This action will allow us to create a visual representation of our sales figures over time. Visualization is key in Tableau. It transforms raw data into trends and patterns that are easy to understand. Now, drag Profit onto the Sales axis. By doing this, you're able to layer two metrics on a single axis, effectively allowing direct comparisons between sales and profits. Next, you'll want to drag Quantity into the Measure Values shelf. Incorporating quantity helps in evaluating your performance, not just in terms of revenue, but also in the number of transactions or items sold. The next step is to drag Discount onto the Rows shelf. This will help us assess how discounts have influenced sales and profits over time. Understanding discounts in conjunction with profits is crucial for evaluating pricing strategies and their effectiveness. Now, click on Analysis in the main menu and select Create Calculated Field. Give it a name. Let's call it Profit Ratio. In this calculated field, type in your query to compute the profit ratio and click OK. Then drag the profit ratio you just created onto the right axis of the second row. This axis will add another layer of analysis capability for your dataset. To ensure consistency, right-click on the newly created axis and choose Synchronize Axis. This synchronization along the same scale ensures all your comparative metrics are accurate. Right-click again on the axis and uncheck Show Header to streamline your visualization, focusing attention on the key data points. Finally, refine the look of your dashboard by altering titles. Right-click on the first row, select Edit Axis, and change the title to Sales, Profit, and Quantity. For the second axis, set the title to Average Discount and Profit Ratio. Renaming these axes provides clarity to anyone viewing your work. That's it. You've successfully arranged and displayed multiple measures on multiple rows in Tableau. Keep practicing to master this technique, and you'll be creating clear, insightful dashboards in no time. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring Tableau to unlock more valuable insights from your data.